Hello, my beauty friends. Welcome to Love It by Andrea. I was missing you guys, but so much you cannot even imagine. Let's see if I am going to be able to keep up with my busy schedule and making like videos for you more frequently. Okay, today's video is unboxing Birchbox of May. The Birchbox of May, it came, all the products, they were like kind of for mid, at least my box, okay, between seasons, spring and summer. So the card came with some reminders for all of us that we forget about doing it. So let's go now to the products. So the first product is from b.tan. Is this one here. It's Love, a daily moisturizer that makes me glow. What is this? This is a moisturizer that is also a self-tanner, and it's going to tan your skin gradually to a beautiful golden tan. But it's going to also give you a nice glow. And what they say is that I never self-tanned, let's be clear, and so I don't know anything about smell, but they say that this one has no the tan smell. I don't know if you do a self-tanning or if you tan frequently, you may know that, so let me know here. Next product is from Comfort Zone. Is the Remedy Cream to Oil. It's a ultra gentle cleanser. So it's this one here. This is actually a 2-in-1 product. This product is going to be cream on the first phase. So you are going to apply on your dry skin. You apply, you're going to massage, cleansing your skin, and then after a while it's going to become an oil to make your skin smooth and soft to the touch. I'm really excited to try this one because this is the first one for me to try on with this kind of formula. And the third product is from Bumble & Bumble, the BB Thickening Spray Pre-Styler. This product is going to give your hair body, volume, and it has a little bit of hold, okay? So I never tried this one and I'm gonna try it. The next product is from Arrow. If you don't know, Arrow is a beauty brand from Birchbox. I do have everything explained on my blog. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can know more about the brand Arrow, okay? This is a eyeliner and it is waterproof, and it's a kind of a pinkish, and it's actually a highlight, so it's going to open your eyes. You can apply on your waterline, you can apply on your inner corner, you can apply under your brows, and I like their products, by the way. And the last product, it's a fragrance from Tokyo Milk. So this is the line Dark, and the name of this fragrance is Everything or Nothing. There is a 10, so I think that it's 10, everything, and nothing. No, it's not or nothing, it's and nothing. 10, everything, and nothing. I'm horrible to describe fragrances, but this one's kind of fresh, and for me it's very suitable for this time of the year, for the transition of spring to summer, and I like it. So this is the packaging. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye!